doing?
Freddy. Yeah, like Keelin said, we're going to be drawing and coloring Freddy.
Yeah.
But before we get started...
Can you do only way open?
Oh, yeah. I will. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications whenever we do videos. All right, let's get started drawing Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. So I am going to draw a little rectangle kind of in the upper part of the page right here. 4 sides. Then I'm going to draw a shorter rectangle just below it. Next, we're going to move to the side of his head. This is going to start right just under this. We're going to come out and down.
What is he doing?
We're going to draw like a little half circle into here.
He's doing up here.
Next, let's go right down the center of his hat.
Yes.
And right below this, and we're going to draw a little oval to be his nose. From there, we're going to draw a little line down, and it's going to come just below this line. So that when we draw his snout,
what am I?
it's going to circle back around this way. Man, that's looking really good, dude. Next, we'll start right in this corner. We're going to start drawing his chin down here. And we'll stop right there. So we have half of his head. So let's just draw the other side and see how it goes. Little half circle right here and in. And make sure we have lots of space to do this. And back around, and we'll go ahead and connect that. Now we'll draw his whiskers. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 dots. So let's go ahead and connect his chin. And then we'll do his mouth, which is kind of follows that same line right there. Comes back up. For his teeth, we need a kind of a big gap right here. So let's just draw a few lines right here for the gap between his teeth. And we'll go 1 tooth, 2 teeth, and 3 teeth. Same thing on this side. Let's go 1 tooth, 2 tooth, and 3 teeth. And we'll wait to blacken that in. Next we have his eyes. We're going to start with this one. We'll start down here. We're going to bring it up and around just to kind of this side of his nose. Then we're going to draw a straight line right here and then another curved line right here. And then we draw inside here a circle and another circle that we fill in. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. The line goes this way, curves down, circle, and circle, and we'll fill it in. Next, let's draw his eyebrows. So we start just above the eye, and we circle over the eye, and we draw a big line and bring it back down. All right, and lastly are his ears. So this is what we're going to do. We'll draw 2 lines coming out of his head. And we're going to draw a straight line right here, and then almost like a big half circle, a little bit more than a half circle, and we're going to follow those lines inside here. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. 2 lines, straight line, and a big, little more than half circle. Same thing inside. And there you have it, the drawing of Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Now let's get to coloring, okay? Let's do it. And there you have it, kids. Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time. Bye, friends.